Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Snow Blowers is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners living in areas that experience heavy snowfall, offering a powerful and efficient way to clear driveways, walkways, and other outdoor spaces, saving you valuable time and physical exertion during harsh winter months, ensuring your property remains accessible and safe throughout the season. Number 5. SnapFresh 20V Cordless Leaf Blower. Tired of heavy yard tools? This lightweight blower weighs only 2.7 pounds, making yard work a breeze. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, even during extended use. Tackle any mess with ease. Choose between two speed modes for precise control, from dusting delicate areas to clearing stubborn leaves. It delivers powerful airflow for efficient cleaning. Get up to 25 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. And when you need to recharge, the included fast charger gets you back to work in about 50 minutes. Reach every corner with its detachable tube for precise airflow. When you're done, its compact design makes storage incredibly simple. Built to last, it features a high-efficiency copper motor and advanced battery protection. Enjoy stable airflow and dependable performance for years to come. We're here to help. Our professional customer service is available 24/7 to answer any questions you may have. Enjoy peace of mind with our dedicated after-sales support. What we like. If you're looking for a lightweight and easy-to-handle blower for quick cleanups, this is a great option. Its 2-speed settings offer versatility for different debris types. The fast charging means less downtime for those everyday tasks around your home. What people say. This snow blower has a powerful engine that easily tackles heavy snowfall. The electric start feature makes it incredibly convenient to get going, even in freezing temperatures. Its adjustable chute allows you to direct snow exactly where you want it, preventing buildup in unwanted areas. Number 4. Snow Joe SJ625E 15-amp corded electric snow blower. Tackle mid-size driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful electric snowblower makes quick work of snow removal, saving you time and effort. Forget about gas, oil, and messy tune-ups. Its convenient electric design ensures reliable performance whenever winter weather strikes, offering a simpler solution. With a robust 15-amp motor, it moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. The adjustable chute directs snow up to 20 feet away, keeping your space clear. The durable steel auger cuts a 21-inch wide and 12-inch deep path. This efficient clearing capability helps you remove snow quickly and effectively. Designed with compact wheels for effortless maneuverability. Plus, its attached cord allows for use with an optional extension cord, giving you extra reach. What we like. For those with mid-size driveways and walkways, this corded electric snow blower offers a hassle-free solution. Its powerful motor and wide clearing path make quick work of snow. If you prefer electric convenience without the need for gas and oil, this is a solid choice. What people say. This snow blower has a powerful engine that handles heavy snow with ease. The electric start feature makes it very convenient to get going, even in cold weather. Its adjustable chute allows you to direct snow exactly where you want it, preventing buildup against your house. Number 3. Snow Joe SJ627E 15-amp electric snow blower. Tackle heavy snow with this high-performance electric snow blower. Its powerful motor delivers gas-like power, clearing up to 840 pounds of snow per minute. Clear more snow in less time. Its wide 22-inch clearing path and 13-inch intake depth are perfect for managing light to moderate snowfalls efficiently. Take control of where the snow goes. The adjustable chute directs snow discharge up to 25 feet with precision and ease. This machine features a heavy-duty all-steel auger with rubber-tipped blades. It provides ground-level clearing power while protecting your surfaces from damage. Clear snow even in low light with dual LED headlights. Its compact design and wheels make maneuvering through tight spaces simple. What we like. If you have a large driveway or walkway and need to clear snow efficiently, consider this model. Its high-performance motor and wide clearing path handle moderate snowfalls with ease. The dual LED lights are a fantastic feature for early morning or evening snow removal. What people say. The snow blower has a powerful engine that easily clears heavy, wet snow. Its self-propelled feature makes it easy to maneuver, even on inclines. The adjustable chute allows for precise snow throwing, directing it exactly where you want it. Number 2. Carhartt Men's A729 Flexor Glove. Introducing the Carhartt Men's A729 Flexor Glove. Engineered for maximum dexterity and comfort, these gloves are designed to move with you. Whether you're on the job site or tackling a weekend project, its durable construction ensures it can handle demanding tasks. Experience superior comfort with its flexible design. You'll forget you're even wearing them, allowing you to focus on your work. The innovative Flex technology provides exceptional grip and control. Perform intricate tasks with ease and precision. Get the reliable performance you expect from Carhartt. These gloves are an essential addition to your workwear collection. What we like. While not a snow blower, this glove is designed for those who need reliable hand protection in cold conditions. If you're working outdoors for extended periods, its flexibility, durability, and comfort features make it a practical choice for keeping your hands warm and protected. What people say. This snow blower has a powerful engine that clears heavy snow with ease. The electric start feature makes it very convenient to get going, even in cold weather. Its adjustable chute allows you to direct snow exactly where you want it, preventing buildup against your house. Number 1. Snow Joe 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit. Experience the power of its 1200W brushless motor. It effortlessly clears up to 14 tons of snow per charge, tackling even the heaviest snowfalls with ease. With an 18-inch clearing width and 10-inch depth capacity, it cuts through deep snow quickly. This allows for fewer, more efficient passes to clear your driveway and sidewalks. Enjoy the freedom of cordless convenience with no emissions. Its rechargeable batteries provide gas-free, cord-free power for maximum mobility and effortless operation. Precisely direct snow discharge up to 20 feet with the adjustable 180-degree chute control. This keeps your surroundings clear and prevents unwanted snow buildup. Don't let darkness stop you. The integrated 2W LED light illuminates your path, ensuring safe snow removal even after dark. What we like. If you value cordless convenience and powerful performance for clearing driveways and sidewalks, this snow blower is an excellent option. Its brushless motor handles heavy snow, and the LED headlight is perfect for nighttime use. This is ideal for those who want gas-like power without the emissions or cords. What people say. The snow blower has a powerful engine that clears heavy snow with ease. Its self-propelled feature makes it easy to maneuver, even on icy surfaces. The adjustable chute allows for precise snow throwing, preventing it from landing on unwanted areas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.